Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up PIN and biometrics to the Aegean application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should add your Touch ID or unlock your app with a PIN number. Then click on the More button down below, scroll down. Then tap on Settings and click on Quick PIN and Biometrics. Here if you tap on Change your PIN, you should enter your existing PIN and then enter your new one. Confirm it by typing it again. As you can see, it has been successfully changed and set. If you want to add your biometrics, then you should tap on this button, Login with Biometrics, and enable your fingerprint, which will allow you to log into the application quickly. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.